Welcome to Seven Hills Tales, where we unravel mysteries from Lisbon's Seven Hills to the world's hidden secrets. Pull up a chair by the fire as we dive into Portugal's most captivating enigma, the Miracle of Fátima. Picture this: 1917, World War I tearing Europe apart, and in a quiet village, three young shepherds stumble into something extraordinary. Was it a divine vision, a collective illusion, or a signal from the stars? Let's explore, with suspense and a sly wink. It's May 13th, 1917, in Cova da Iria, near Fatima. Lucia dos Santos, age 10, and her cousins Francisco and Jacinta Marto, 9 and 7, are tending sheep under a cloudy sky. A warm flash cuts through, brighter than lightning, softer than the sun. Above a small homework, a lady appears, glowing like a star, cloaked in white with a golden rosary. "Do not be afraid," she whispers. "I come from heaven." The children are transfixed, hearts pounding. She promises to return on the 13th of each month, urging prayer for peace. And just like that, the ordinary unravels into the cosmic. The village buzzes with doubt. Lucia's mother scoffs. Too much sun, too many bedtime stories. But the lady keeps her word. June 13th, she calls for devotion to her Immaculate Heart. July draws a crowd, and she unveils a vision of hell. Souls in torment, a warning of chaos if humanity doesn't turn back. The kids tremble, but stand firm. August brings trouble. Local officials, spooked by the growing fervor, arrest the children, threatening boiling oil. Imagine the absurdity. Tiny rebels facing medieval threats. They don't break. The lady appears later, delayed, promising an October miracle. A cosmic prank, perhaps. September's visit is quieter, her message clear. The rosary is a shield against war. Crowds swell. Some feel an unseen presence. Others glimpse fleeting light. The air itself seems to hum. Then, October 13th arrives, rain-soaked and muddy. 70,000 gather. Pilgrims, skeptics, journalists, umbrellas bobbing like a restless sea. The children kneel, and the lady appears, naming herself Our Lady of the Rosary. She points to the sky. Clouds part, and the sun rebels, spinning like a silver disk, casting rainbows, zigzagging, plunging toward earth before retreating. Screams mix with prayers. Wet clothes dry instantly. Mud hardens. O Seculo, a secular newspaper, declares, "The sun danced." Miracle? Mass hysteria? Or something else? A metallic craft, darting like a UFO. That silver disc detail grabs you. Witnesses didn't describe our sun, but a controlled object, gleaming, maneuvering with purpose. Could Fatima have been an extraterrestrial visit? The lady's radiance, the disc's dance. Maybe aliens chose a rural stage to send a message of peace. It's a wild thought, but it tickles the imagination without dismissing faith. Fast forward to 2007, and Fatima's legacy takes a modern turn. The sanctuary unveils the Basilica de Santissima Trindade, a massive circle of white stone, seating 8,600, designed by Alexandros N. Tombazis. Consecrated on October 12th, 90 years after the miracle, it's a marvel of sacred geometry. But here's the twist. From above, its sleek circular form looks eerily like a landed saucer. Coincidence? The official line praises its spiritual design, but that UFO-like silhouette raises eyebrows. Could it echo the 1917 silver disc? A subtle nod to something beyond? Picture me raising an eyebrow by this fire. Architecture or alien blueprint? The legacy endures. Francisco and Jacinta fall to the 1918 flu, as the lady foretold. Lucia lives to 97, revealing secrets in 1941. The third secret, unveiled in 2000, depicts a bishop in white amid peril, linked to the 1981 attack on Pope John Paul II. Skeptics cry foul. Was it edited? Fatima draws 7 million pilgrims yearly. Faith's pull undeniable. Yet the riddle lingers. divine vision, human illusion, or stellar signal? And that basilica, holy temple or cosmic clue? Thanks for joining me by the fire for Seven Hills Tales. If this story sparked your curiosity, subscribe, like, and ring the bell for more mysteries from Lisbon to the cosmos. Was Fatima a miracle, a trick, or a visit from the stars? And that basilica, sacred or saucer? Share your theory below.